How to connect eFootball with a Gmail account? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So once you are here in the main menu, you want to go to Extras, and here you want to go to Support. Here you can see at the top left corner link data, and then over here you can either link using Game Center or on Android link using Google Play. But if you want to just simply link it with your Gmail, then click on link Konami ID. And once you have clicked on here, this will pop up. And you want to click on proceed. Then here it says register email address and password as new user, or users who register their email address with another Konami app. So I'm going to register it. I'll click on there. And here you want to enter everything. So you want to enter your country, your language, date of birth, your email address, and then your password that you would like to use for your Konami ID. And then here it says a confirmation code, 6 digits, will be sent to your email address. So yeah, fill in your email address, click on send code. Once you get that code on your email address, fill it in. And that's basically it. Then you have linked your Konami ID with Gmail. And then you should get an email inside of the game somewhere that you have actually linked it. Or here at the notifications, somewhere like over here. But yeah, that is how to connect eFootball with Gmail account.